is Mary. I am the creator of Yegos magnetic interlocking yoga blocks. So why I have foam blocks here today. So if you have taken a restorative class or any kind of class where you use foam blocks, you know that trying to stack and put your bolster up against foam blocks can be challenging. The moment you go to lay down, they start doing this. This is the problem I have had for 22 years teaching yoga. Having my prenatal, my senior classes, or anybody just lay back in a restorative posture on these flimsy foam blocks. Oh, say that 5 times fast. Also, in order to do some of the other postures, such as triangle pose and stuff, these things just do not stack very well. I don't like them. They're out here. That's the reason I created Yegos. So I was always having a problem of foam blocks not being supportive for all the things that I wanted to do. So if you have Yegos, one of the great things is if you still want your pad, I have these 2 blocks joined together through the side and the wedge joined on top of the one block. So sweet. So when you lay back into your restorative posture now, you don't have to worry. You truly feel supported. You don't feel like you're balancing on those blocks. If you do not want to do the whole bolster setup and you would like to just use the Yegos, one of the great little setups that we have is this restorative setup. So this restorative setup works much in the same way. We've got the little half rounds on top. Oh, and that's the love. The shoulders will just drop right in there. It's nice support for the back of the neck, all of that great stuff. So you could actually use this with or without the bench. These pieces can all join together so that you don't need the bench. I use the bench because it tends to be better for taller people, longer bodied people, right? So that's one of the little setups for restorative that you can do with Yego. Real simple. Behind the neck. Oh, that is the love, right? We have other props such as the bench. Now this bench, these blocks stack on all 3 sides, so you could take it very, very low or at its highest point, which is really nice. And this really allows you to do things like put your legs on top of the bench, do your reclined hip openers, allow your restorative classes to truly feel restorative and supported. So some little tips on Yegos and why you would use them in the class and why we got rid of the foam blocks. Bye guys.